Today's tutorial will cover searching the CLAMS Classic catalog and limiting by the location of where those materials are, and also limiting to pickup at that specific location. This is the homepage for the CLAMS Classic catalog. What you see is your keyword, and that has a drop-down menu where you can select title, author, keyword, or any of the other search terms that you wish to use. If you want to learn more about those particular fields to search, please call or email your library. Today, we will be using keyword. The next box over is where you're going to enter your search term. Today, we will be searching the term geese. And just next to the search term where you've entered your keyword, you see this all locations. This is a drop-down menu where you can specify what library you want to see has specific materials related to your search. The default is always all locations. So if you want to specifically limit to a particular library, you want to hit the drop-down menu and select your library. These library options offer adult collections and children's. So today, we're going to search through the Truro Children's Collection. So you're going to select that. Once you've done that, you hit search. And we wait for the page to refresh. Now you can see a results page. You see your keyword, your limit, and that 23 results were found. You can see on the left the front cover image of the material. Next to that is the title, along with other information below. And to the right, you will see some quick click options, one that is requested. We will be using that to request the material today. Just on the right side of those quick clicks, you will see an icon image that shows you the format of the material. Now, if you scroll down slightly, you will see that an ebook is also listed in here. Now, because that item is not a physical piece of material and is a digital option available on Overdrive, you might want to limit or modify your search to physical items that are available at the library. So if you go back to the top of your page, where it says Modify Search, you can click on that. And it brings you to Advanced Keyword Search, where you can scroll down to Add Limits and the option for Material Type. Today, we're going to look for books and books on CD. So I'm going to select Book, and I'm going to scroll down until I find Spoken CD. Now, on a PC, you would hit Control key on your keyboard and left-click with your mouse to select Spoken CD. You would hit Command on a Mac computer. Now, Spoken CD and Book are both selected as my material type. I will then scroll down and hit Submit below and wait for the page to refresh. Now you will see that for my keyword search geese, the Truro Children's Collection has been limited by book or spoken CD, and I have 19 results found. Now this will show everything that the Truro Children's Collection has related to geese, but some of this material may already be checked out. So if you'd like to limit it to what items are available, you want to check this box right up here, where it says Limit Search to Available Items. And then you will hit Search one more time and wait for your page to refresh. Now you will see that for my keyword geese at the Truro Children's Collection, limited to available items, I have 18 results found. Now from these results, I can click on a particular title name and it will show me the full record. But today, what I'm going to do is request the title Gemma and Gus using this quick click right here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to click on that now. You are now brought in to your login page. It would be handy to have your library card in front of you. Your library card number is on the back of your card. In this library card number field, you enter your card number with no spaces in between, like so. If you've already logged in and have created a username in your CLAMS account, you can type in your username. In Enter Your PIN field, you'll bring your cursor down into that field, and the PIN is 4 or more numbers or letters that can be case sensitive. It's a password that you created when you first signed up for your library card at your home library. This is where you're going to enter your PIN. And as you can see, you cannot see what the actual PIN is. It is blocked, and that is for your own protection. Once you've entered your library card number and your PIN, hit Submit. Now you're in your request verification page, and this tells you the title of the book that you're requesting and the pickup location. Now, if you've set up a default location for the material search, and you're likely that you want to pick up those materials at that same library, you want to select from the drop-down menu which library you plan on picking it up at. The default is your home library. So anytime you come in here and log in, it will always default to the library where you signed up for your library card. So if you plan on picking up a particular material at a different location, you want to select it from this list. Today, we're going to be picking up our material at Truro Library. Once I've made that selection, I hit Submit. You come to your final page, and at the bottom of the page, it says your request for the title you requested was successful. You will be able to pick up this material at the library of your choosing when it is ready. Once you're done, you can log out of your account. And you're all set. Thank you.